Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. Is it possible to install 25mm spacers on Honda Accord? Spacers are a kind of wheel accessories which are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problems. By pushing out the wheel, you can gain a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting larger brake calipers without wheel scratching. We can see the back of these adapters have unique active cooling group design that make the external air flow in and takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency and reduce the risk of driving safety. The natural wheel studs on the wheel spacers are made of forged SCM 440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistance, structure stability, fewer harmful elements, and fewer surface effects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The natural lug nuts applied 40 chrome material, which adheres to the ISO standard grade 10. Each of the natural wheel studs or wheel nuts have unique BONOSS engraved, which proves that the source of the products can be traced. Compared with others, BONOSS has a professional factory to ensure the quality of BONOSS wheel spacers. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.